Hello friends, today we are going to understand the process of integrated marketing communication in detail. Let us study each and every step in detail. Step number 1 is identified target audiences. The process of integrated marketing communication will get started with a clear target audience in mind. Target audience can be considered as potential buyer of company's product, current users, deciders, individual groups, etc. Let us take two examples. If we are a bank and we want to launch a new product like mobile banking, which is very common nowadays. So first of all, bank can approach their existing customer for new product, and bank's existing customers is their account holders. Another example is of medicines. If we are medicine producer, then decider for which medicine patient should take is doctor. So doctor is decider. It is not like any patient can make decision about which medicine they should take at the time they are sick. Doctor is the right person for taking decision about medicine. So our target audience are doctor at the time we are manufacturing medicines. Step number 2. Determine communication objectives. Marketer can set communication objectives at any level of the hierarchy of the effect models. Rossiter and Percy identified 4 possible objectives. Number 1 objective, category need. There are different types of product categories like industry such as technology or hospitality, functionality such as accounting software or running shoes, customer needs such as summer versus winter, demographic product category such as children goods or women clothing. Number 2 objective can be brand awareness. It measures a potential customer's ability to not only recognize a brand image but to also associate it with a certain company's product or services. Brand attitude. The brand attitude will tell what people think about a product or services, whether the product answer a customer need, and just how much the product is wanted by the consumers. Last objective, brand purchase intentions. Promotional offers in the form of coupon or 2-for-1 deals encourage customers to make a mental commitment to buy a product. Step number 3. Design the communication. In step number 3, communicator moves to develop an effective message. Message should gain attention, interest, desire, and action. For this purpose, communication required to solve following 3 problems. Number 1. Message strategy. What to say? Management should search for an appeal, theme, or idea for unique selling proposition. Appeal like emotional appeal to stir up positive or negative emotions, what will motivate purchase. Moral appeal that directed to the audience sense of what is right and proper. Number 2. Creative strategy. How to say it? Creative strategy are the way marketers translate their message into specific communication. We can broadly classify them as either informational or transformational appeal. An informational appeal elaborate on product or service attribute or benefit. For example, benefit of using aloe vera. The transformational appeal elaborate on a non-product related benefit or image. For example, Raymond advertisement depicts relatively young, successful man. Third, message source. Who should say it? Message delivered by attractive or popular source achieve higher attention and recall. For example, pharmaceutical companies have doctor testifying about product benefit because doctor have more credibility. Step number 4. Selecting the communication channel. Communicator must select efficient communication channel. Firm can use 2 types of communication channel, personal and non-personal. Category A, personal communication channel, in which 2 or more persons communicating directly with each other face to face, person to audience, over telephone or through email. For example, Amazon.com invites online customer to sign up for free email review and recommendations from experts. Category B, non-personal communication channel. It includes media, sales promotion, event, experiences and public relations. Media includes print media like newspaper, magazine, broadcast media like radio and television. Sales promotion consists of consumer promotion such as sample, coupons, etc. Step number 5. Establish the total market communication. In this particular step, company needs to decide how much they want to spend on marketing and promotion. There are mainly two different methods used by companies at the time of establishing total marketing communication. Number 1. Affordable method. Many companies set the promotion budget at what they think the company can afford. Number 2. Percentage of sales method. Many companies set promotional expenditure at a specific percentage of sales. For example, many automobile companies typically budget a fixed percentage or promotion based on planned car price. Step number 6. Deciding on media mix. Companies can allocate their budget for marketing communication over different mode of communication like advertising, sales promotion, public relation, event and experiences, direct marketing and sales force. Advertising is commonly used by majority of the company to build up long-term image for a product. Step number 7. Measuring communication results. After implementation of communication plan, communicator must measure the impact. Suppose 70% of target audience aware of the brand, 50% have tried it and only 30% who tried it are satisfied. This indicates that the communication program is effective in creating awareness, but the product fails to meet customer expectations. So, the communication program needs to be strengthened. Step number 8. Managing the integrated marketing communication process. The last step is managing the integrated communication process. Properly implementation of integrated marketing communication is required because it will improve the company's ability to reach the right customer with the right message at the right time in the right place. Thank you. Guys, if you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please share my videos. Thank you.